It's December 2nd on Saturday, and if you're still looking for extra cash for holiday, we have a proven system what's gonna show you how to make 10K just in 1 month. You guys, we are starting the 10K holiday sprint. We started it yesterday, but you still have time. We have a webinar starting on Tuesday. So if you would like to be part of our webinar and see what it takes to work only 2 hours a day and run business on autopilot and still make 10K or more each month, please join our webinar. Grab the link in my bio. I will send you the link for our Zoom and a free webinar which is happening on Tuesday. You don't want to miss this because it is a proven system, you guys. Look at this. I literally just made this yesterday and that was just in 1 day. I actually ended up last month with almost 16,000, okay? So I hit the 16 yesterday, but the day before that it was close to the 16. So every day I'm having